It is what it is. You're still having the greatest time. I want you to when you're waking up to a very nice song, dope song. The track is you're listening to music. TiaN have just dropped a brand new song in the of Murumba. On this track, TiaN feature Kashflow. So it's a very beautiful song, like yo. And rundi kuponga rena zuno ndikotolenga ubatambele yone official Kashflow na Mizo Phyll. So hapo no sika ba creator link in yabo zori ikoda in what do you call this thing? Yo. In the lyrics, in a maipi urusuke unabori wakono rehezuno iko tamba wako kono imberera. So now I'm gonna let you listen to the song. Watu ni pezori richi kwambori bukoni venda dalar kwamba zupio. This is when you come banga TiaN and Mizo Phyll and Kashflow. But the pezori hukweti mini you drop a zino hey lyrics. What do we do? Lyric video what? Yeah. Audio with lyrics, something like that. But listen to this. Murumba. Like, why did I go to embedded what my fee in a very simple way? Because my feet are very the Murumba. One. Listen to the verse ya Kashflow bafuzuru remain ngakomba komba 30 no remain. Miru yanga iko urosa Murumba ngabe zwanga naye nezvisadopuma ngori nendiko mufuna zvamukuma ada hapa kane unouma uima nazvinendamba utidzura hamzumberi zvipiri wodibulura ende ana posho utofumura ndisinaye ubako mkumbura.
This life is in the air, I had to roll a block. Shana spinga, shawty looking at the hourglass. I can fly you up to meet the stars, the green of the grass. Wrapping up your big body, wrist like cannot hand it that. China maromba, baby, mbiru yanga ngaini. Kapisaji oro, baby, ndafembeza naini. Nachidi pisa, baby, ngani fera zivi.
Opo pumiri. Nachidi pisa, ngani. One, my diva love your Jenna. Hell. Like Kashflow is one of those rap artists in every single song. He's still improving. He still has something. Like he's always trying to push better than the previous song or previous track. Bon, abadopfa.
On, you don't need no fancy name to be a boss. But soft, she be barefooted, let me get it on. White linen shawty on her back with the honey on. She know about the time game, so I get the linking on. Ngasi ni fare, ngazi lying, ngasi ni shandu kere sasi dice. Nga toda kubai, kasende rengena ndiwane kubai.
Yeah, I guess you know because I'm more minizo actually angasini shandu kere sama dice because you know when you throw my dice with their mean and all that. So ndakotwa amazona ndizo zora kwa amazona uri to understand or when nice music is there, appreciate these artists when they're still alive. Riche Wambaila one of our no, these guys are good. TiaN, this combination sound perfect. Yes. You can still download this song. And then you can stream it on YouTube. Just search TiaN. Unayo ene muna YouTube where you can go and subscribe to on his YouTube. But keep on listening.
Fire the pipe in the plum, fire the pipe in the plum, fire the pipe in the plum, get it.
Miru yanga iko urosa Murumba ngabe zwanga naye nezvisadoguma ngori nendiko mufuna zvamukuma ada hapa kane unouma uima nazvinendamba utidzura hamzumberi zvipiri wodibulura ende hai udonga ronoliswa unondodi bulura zvipiri TiaN ha nangwe tadzo dara ndinaendo takala zvimwe zvingadisara murau musiri chitangana tikono difara upuna kaene asimula.
Body love is in the air, ko parero fam. Ndom na meza unicorn ungari carousel. ndamukavara ndamukisa richikakasela ndambudhifola in love remakaru man she be digging my body yenokogwa musela hachimbili mlenje ya ruvenje.
This is the Mizo I talk about, man. No one will criticize our Mizo, it's something else. And sometimes in the Jambori, no, I don't like this verse either. It's because I know Mizo can deliver. Huh? What move for Missouri? Like the rhyme, like the verse have a perfect meaning. Like, oh, for no other, the way that's it one. Love. And
body yawe bad sabana banjere karuhila woko zwanda ndi mubandere ene sadzi minerala yukondo wana ende uba ana nne asakubona ruka mabudza polishana ma tubale antenda ndova namaka.
We need a music video for this. We need a music video for this magic.
Tondodze apaka ndobonongo tu achimpara kana mbiru inga isatutu.
What? The music from Murumba Murumba. Hezi kolida sa Murumba. Hama jita like go. We menyana what? TiaN, Mizo Phyll, Kashflow. Perfect combination, like I said. Official lyric video. I'll put the video link below. Description. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. The TiaN. This is what we talk about. Yeah, they're available also because the online stores, and there you can go and purchase the track. If Murumba, it's a very beautiful song. So our subscriber, our bone, let's support music. TiaN, Mizo Phyll, and Kashflow just dropped a banger. You know, relaxed. Rekomba nyimbo za watu barwana record dear love rekomba record chama mwana nga maifi reko bare wemenyana tanki majita ne so number zone. You can buy this song ihone kazi online stores. You can also follow TiaN kazi Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can also go ka description hapo pasi you'll get the full link to this song. Bakongwana musi nenga dzina ndiduka ndisuhana ni mwana ndwa mahongoni ndichere ndibafuna zone. It's been great to listen to dope music. Uneba bahone abale joy.